of the SSV. Please, do not rush the machine.
Here I'd like to introduce the product manager for compact track loaders and skid steers, Mr. George Doyes.
All right, thank you, Paul, and welcome everyone. Welcome to our new era. The skid steer loader line completes our compact construction equipment for Kubota. So I'm very excited to be here this morning to tell you all about this. This is one of two models that we have offered. This is the SSV, or Skid Steer Vertical 65. We have a bigger one as well, called the SSV, or Skid Steer Vertical 75. This is a 64 horsepower machine with 1,950 pounds of rated operating capacity. When coupled with the 2,650 pound SSV 75, we hit the sweet spot of the market that has 60% of the population of skid steers in the United States.